What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are finally catless. This is gonna be basically my first POV catless. So we're gonna see right now. Oh dude, it sounds so amazing. You guys don't even understand, like catless, it is definitely way too loud, but it sounds so amazing. I'm really curious to how bad the droning is gonna be. I'm also curious about how the quality looks right now, but I guess you guys like these nighttime stuff, so just gotta make sure there's no cops right now. I can't see any cops, and my car is definitely way too loud. Sheesh, bro. Dude. Watch, I'm gonna open the back windows all the way. Check this out, dude. It's freaking crazy. Oh my freaking goodness. Dude, I can't get over it. I'm never gonna freaking get over it. Right now I'm gonna stop by this little car meet. I didn't even know there was a car meet. It's behind the gym I go to. So I'm gonna go stop by real quick, see what's up. I don't know if I'm gonna record it. I probably should record like 30 seconds of it, and then I don't know, we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna make this a nighttime POV vid. Also with some kind of car meet. I'm gonna try to make a pop. It's definitely not popping as much because the valves, and I already tested it. It's like depends on the gear, it depends on how fast I'm going. It pops super nice, but definitely the valves take a lot of it away. So definitely one thing to keep in mind. I gotta really watch out for cops, so we're gonna see. I gotta be really careful because dude, my car, it is on a whole nother level freaking loud. I just wish the pops were still here. I can't wait to stop by the car meet right now. It's gonna be such a vibe. Gotta make sure there's no freaking cops. Shee, oh my gosh. The downshifts are freaking crazy. Sheesh, bro. We're at the car meet now. It's like a little chill, dude, but for some reason, I thought this was just gonna be like a chiller car meet. And I was just at the gym, literally just at the gym. Bro, all my McLaren homies, all my Lambo homies are here. Literally the ones I made videos with are literally here. I did not expect them to come here, dude. It's freaking wild. Just gotta have a good time, then go continue this POV. I'm gonna show you the McLarens right now. Dude, the twin turbo Lambos here, you already know. McLaren. I can't tell if the cops are coming right now to us or they're like doing something else. I can't tell. I hope they're not coming here. Oh shoot, there's so many cops coming. My car is not that illegal, but I'm just gonna stay here for a minute. There's no way we're all dipping. Dude, all the Lambo guys are here and we're all dipping out already. I hope we're not dipping out. But pretty much, dude, I'm the only Hellcat guy here, which makes me feel good. I feel unique, you know what I mean? But I'm just really curious the cops coming here because nothing's happened yet. It's sort of like a little chill meet, nothing's going on. Yeah, it's a little vibe, it's a vibe. Literally, everyone's leaving out because all the cops that came, but literally everyone's dipping out except the exotic. And then here's mine, just chilling. Dude, literally, everyone has dipped out. Dude, the craziest part is I didn't even know these guys were coming. I was literally just at the gym, literally at the gym after a 14-hour shift. Today was a 14-hour shift. That's what I'm saying, boys. You gotta grind until you can't. You know, having this car is cool, but this is just the beginning, bro. Just the beginning. I just can't believe literally all the people I met, I'm cool with now, are here. It's like, dude, it's such a trip. I love trips like this. Hey, dog. Cops are here. Dude, there hasn't been a perfect timing being freaking callous. So they don't seem to be stopping anybody for exhaust, which is the funny part, but all these exotic guys are staying. They're gonna go take a photo. Like, everyone has custom exhaust, so we're chilling. There's 4 cops, bro. This is literally, was just working out. I did not expect, dude. This is like such a trip. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna keep it chill. There's a second spot, so I'm probably gonna start recording once I get out of here because I know there's like 10 freaking cops. Literally, because I saw them just 1, 2, dude. It was insane. I was counting every single one of them. So I'm probably just gonna go drive there, make sure the coast is clear because, bro, I am so illegal right now. This car is hella illegal. Dude, the best part about this valve mufflers is that I just closed it right now, and dude, check this out. You can hear the whine like it's brand new. Hold on. Yeah, dude, it sounds so vivid. It's like it almost didn't even change, but pretty much all the Lambo guys are all in front of me. I'm gonna try to catch up because I don't know if you guys can tell. It's kind of dark, but these are the streets I literally film all my POVs in. So it's the vibe, bro. But my new, like I said, dude, my new rule is not to speed, so I'm just gonna try to catch up to these guys real quick. I gotta be hella careful because there's so many freaking cops, it's unreal. I just want to catch up to these freaking exotics, dude. Yeah, dude, I'm just gonna continue back on my POV. Pretty much they're gone. I just need to find something to talk about. Usually doing my videos, like I have a topic, but today was so unplanned, dude. I was just literally hitting the gym. I was gonna go home, edit my Catless video, so when you guys are seeing this, you're gonna see the Catless video first, but check out the wine, check out the wine. The wine's still there, dude. That's what's so sick about the valves. Like if I have the valves open, you can hear the whine, but you can definitely tell like it kills it like 100%. But pretty much, man, I'm gonna start doing these POVs a little bit more often. I'm flying out to Florida this week, so I'm gonna try actually film some videos in Florida. I just can't film any kind of car videos when I'm there. That's the only issue. And but what I'm gonna try to do there is actually I'm gonna try to go find a dealership and see if I can find like maybe a Hellcat for cheap, or maybe find an M5 for cheap. And you know, if we can legit actually find a good deal, then I'll buy one there, you know, and ship it if it's really worth it, you know. So I'm basically just gonna go there and just see what happens, and probably upload a video just for fun, and have no expectations, because I know, like, you know, with YouTube, dude, it's all about the concept. Like if I keep doing the same concept, it will work for a long time, you know what I mean? But when you start doing like different ideas, something that's not like what your audience watches, no one really cares. That's kind of why I'm trying to really focus on like something to do with a car or a Hellcat or something like that, you know. The only thing I hate about nighttime, dude, is I don't know if there's any cops. Like I can't tell who's a cop or not. So that's why I'm kind of driving with the valves closed right now, because dude, you don't even understand. When the valves are open, it is freaking scary, dude. It is so scary. It's obviously not as loud, obviously, but it's still so amazing, bro. I can't tell what that is. It's some kind of Mercedes. It looks really clean. I would hope it's like a VA or something. Dude, after seeing so many freaking cops, I'm so freaking cautious right now. But man, yeah, pretty much, dude. Today was literally, I worked a 14-hour shift, and I'm out of it, dude. Literally was so tired when I came home. Like, dude, I'm literally just gonna hit the gym because I have to. Like, I have no choice. I have to hit the gym. So I hit the gym, and literally I came out of the gym. I see a freaking car in me. I'm like, dude, honestly, I'm still tripping. It was just like a regular car, like normal cars, nothing crazy. Out of nowhere, all these freaking exotics come out of freaking nowhere. It was sick. I have no clue where they're meeting up right now, so I'm kind of just like winging it. I have an idea, but like, dude, who knows, man. But I'm excited for the future, man. This Catless is like so sick, and I'm really excited just to keep making more videos, because now that I've kind of maxed out on this car, I don't really need, oh snap, I don't really need to do anything else to it, you know? Like I can get a wrap, I can make the interior like really, really sexy. Like I'm talking about like, my goal is to make everything like just like forged carbon. Like that's the mission. So we're gonna see. Since I'm at a spot where I don't see too many cars, I'm gonna open my cats up real quick. Picks up, but dude, it is so satisfying now. Just watch when I switch up gears, it's so satisfying. I can't tell if that's a cop or not, dude. Literally, these cars came out of nowhere too. I just can't risk it right now. I'm gonna turn right like super quick right now without hitting me freaking expecting it. Oh dude, that was it. Is that a cop? Dude, why does it look just like a freaking cop? Oh my gosh, it has to be a freaking cop. It has to be. Because if it's not, oh man. Oh my gosh, it was a cop. It was a cop. Dude, fudge. I literally was downshifting, gassing it in 3rd gear, and it's a cop. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, I literally was talking about it in my freaking video, how I need to be cautious, and the one time I open it is the one time there's actually a cop. I even double checked. Bro, ain't no, this is another freaking, okay, good. I think we're meeting up here. Are we? I'm gonna go get the address and try to meet up with those guys in this video, but dude, I literally, oh, it stresses me out, dude. It stresses me the frick out because I called it and I'm just so happy. That cop literally could have done this. Boop. Take my, yo, let me check your cats. All he has to do is put a freaking mirror and guess what? My cats are gone. Oh, dude, I'm so paranoid right now. Dude, it's really a GTR, right wheel drive. That's a vibe. And then they blur on my play, but there's my freaking Hellcat. Lambos, McLaren, bro. It's such a vibe. I need to finish off my freaking nighttime POV though. But it's vibes out here, bro. It's vibes. So dope. Here's my cold start. I think the valves are open. I think they're open, but it's not too obnoxiously loud. Dude, wide body freaking GTR is crazy.
Nah, bro, you can't hit BMWs, man. You can hit anything else, but not a BMW.
I'm driving with the McLarens. Sheesh. It's freaking loud right now. I'm not gonna have the head mount because it's just, I'm not gonna be driving for too long. I'm going to In-N-Out, which is, I'm hyped, dude. In-N-Out's like my favorite spot. Wait, they're going to a different spot. Freaking highway POV now? Like, oh, they're not going to the one that I usually go to. Hey, I'm still cool with it. Finally, a freaking POV with exotics, bro. Finally. I'm gonna get behind them though, so I don't freaking lose them. Oh snap, he's sending it. What the? Oh shoot, dude, my exhaust is too loud for this. Oh my gosh, these guys are hauling it. We made it to In-N-Out. I still have to finish off the video, but for now, I'm just gonna drive with these guys. Dude, yo, this, we just vibing with them now. Dude, the odds, the tonight end is so weird, bro. It's so crazy. So right now, we're at freaking In-N-Out. It's kind of foggy, I don't know why. We're at In-N-Out right now. We're at In-N-Out, dude. Freaking McLaren, Lambo, dude. Like I said, dude, what's tripping me out is that, dude, I didn't even know these guys were coming at all. And like, it's such a random freaking meet too. But I'm gonna end the video off once I get in the car. But bro, this POV changed up quick. Dude, oh my gosh. My exhaust sounds crazy. Oh, wow. All the homies are dipping. Alright, we finally done with the night. Dang, what the? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, my car sounds insane. Where are these guys going? Oh my gosh. Dude, I hope you guys enjoyed a video like this. Pretty much, this video went from like nighttime POV to literally a whole different scene. I don't even know how, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this nighttime POV. I'm gonna try to make my videos a little bit shorter because I noticed that I kind of filmed for too long and I don't even realize it. But I really hope you guys enjoy the Catless. I really feel like it's gonna be a lot more fun making videos because, dude, when it's Catless, bro, it is literally a whole different feeling. And the only thing I would say is that it definitely makes it scarier to drive. Like, even though it feels the same, like the sound, the vibration kind of scares you, and it feels more aggressive. It's kind of sick. Like, it's kind of what I wanted, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I hope you guys enjoyed that meet. And if you guys want to see more, make sure you guys leave a like, please let me, because that's the only way I really know. Also comment if you guys actually enjoy this type of content, and I'm gonna for sure post more, and of course buy more cars, and of course spread the knowledge as I grow in the business. And you know, this is all gonna be, you know, next 5 to 10 year journey, you know. So we're gonna see what happens, man. But my goal is to help everyone out and people learn from my mistakes and also learn from what I do that's right, you know. So we'll see what happens. Be blessed, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Follow Christ, because you never know when your last day is. Hope you guys enjoyed the vid, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.